Good morning, friends. Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. We've made it through another week of e-learning, and it's been a good one. Let's go ahead and start our day with the kindness pledge. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. Friends, I enjoyed seeing so many of you on our Zoom call yesterday. It was so awesome to be together, all wearing our class shirts again. And we'll be sure to do that again really, really soon. Just a couple of quick reminders. Remember, tomorrow, Friday, May 1st, we have a couple of Zoom opportunities. Girls, I'm going to be brunching with you at 10:30. And boys, I'm going to be lunching with you at 11:30. So use those Zoom IDs and passwords I've sent to your families and join us. We had a really, really fun time last week, and it was honestly one of the best parts of my entire week, just hanging out with you guys and talking to you because I miss you so much. So let's all get on there tomorrow if possible. Okay, also just a few quick reminders about some upcoming things that are due, and I just want to just bring that to the top of everybody's memory so we're all on the same page as we end this week of e-learning. So tomorrow, you have your draft of your rainforest animal research paper, and you are taking pictures of your completed paper, and you are sending that to me by the end of the day tomorrow, which is May 1st. And then RAS Kids, you have 40 minutes of time due by the end of the day tomorrow, and you should have done at least one recording, meaning that you hit the microphone button one time and you recorded a segment of one of the assigned books that I assigned to you on RAS Kids. Also, you have your STEAM project that we've been talking about now for a couple of weeks, and you can go again and look at Mr. Hegnauer's slides. Information, directions, how to post the assignment when you're finished are all included in those slides. All right, friends, I hope that you have a fantastic day of e-learning. Please reach out to me today if you have any questions. I'm here to help you, be the best first grade student that you can be. So again, reach out and I will be happy to help you. As always, click the next link to do the Pledge of Allegiance with Mr. A and to hear the announcement.